Hello guys, welcome to your channel. Dr. Crypto is back with another Bitcoin daily price analysis. Guys, well, there are some stuff we need to talk about. We'll jump into it. Before that, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel, smash the like button if you like the video, and I appreciate that. So let's waste no more time. Let's look at the chart. Guys, if you were subscribed to the channel, you know that I've showed you this ribbon. This ribbon is actually came to the attention of many traders in this bull run, and it's actually perfectly working. So we have to be realistic. It's working. Look, where we were like running to the upside, we had this parabolic movement to the $64,000. We were all the time respecting this ribbon. When we had some correction, we were just getting bounced back on the top of the ribbon on maximum on the bottom of it. As you can see, we went on to the $64,000, and then we first broke it, then we had some kind of retest, and then we had this crash or correction or whatever, depends on what your mood is, bull or bear. We had all the way we fallen below it, and we were just we were failing to get above it, right? Finally, when we hit here 28,000, then we managed to have some strong bounce getting above it, and since afterward we were keeping the trend bullish until we hit 53,000, and then again retest, and now we are below it. And this ribbon actually matters in the daily, I believe. So we are under it today. I was just watching the market in front of my eyes, went from 43,000 to 44,000, got a hard rejection, came back all the way even below 43,000, now struggling at the 43,000. Guys, 43,000 is not bad to be at the moment, to be honest, because if you were like many of the probably bear scenarios they were suggesting to be today, for example, around $38,000, but we are still above 40, even 43,000, so that's not bad. So I want to show you some falling wedge taking form in the bullish in the Bitcoin chart, and let me show you. And actually, this box, you know that this box is the very I told you in my previous video, when actually I was predicting the fall to happen, we were about 48,000 or something. I was warning you to just we're gonna have some downside movement. If you were following my videos, I actually made a very like almost 200% on the short trade, and you know that I'm accumulating some of the altcoins. So if you would like to follow what I'm posting, of course we can turn on notification bell and you will be updated. And also it's so important to follow me in the Twitter, so also when sometimes I'm out and I don't have time to make videos, then I can keep you updated with what I'm doing, at least in Twitter. Not always right, but I can tell you what I'm doing, so give you some ideas. Anyways, now we are actually above this box. Honestly, you know that I've been talking about the support box in the past probably weeks, okay, and they were so important to me since we got to fall. I had a lot of pattern which I was following, but it was when I was looking at Binance exchange in the chart. I changed it to Coinbase because Coinbase is better. We're going to be continuing with the Coinbase. Anyways, let me talk about what matters today to me. What matters to me is the falling wedge, which is potentially a bullish pattern. Look at this. If you look at this is the daily, right? This is kind of, I don't need to adjust it so well at the moment because we are not looking for any breakout yet. But this is something like this. This is something like this. Okay, we are getting some, we can also call it triangle, whatever, but it's falling. When it's falling, it potentially is a bullish sign. What do I mean by that? Let's make it bigger, okay? Let's make it bigger. This is so important, guys. Why is it important? Because we are finishing this September always been historically a bearish month for Bitcoin, and October, November, December, they are the most bullish time for the Bitcoin and the cryptocurrency market. Is it necessarily like, will it happen this time again? No, but we are considering, if we are considering ourselves in a continuation of the bull market, then October, in these 3 months, we have usually the best time to fly. Now, looking at this falling wedge or falling channel, fall triangle, whatever you want to call it, we are in it, and you got the rejection exactly at the top of it. Guys, what happens now, I will tell you. What if this kind of falling which they tend to break upside rather than downside. Of course, there is possibility that they break to the downside, but let's say, for example, percentage wise, 70%, as to my experience, 70% they are breaking to the upside, and for example 30% they break to the downside. So it's not guaranteed, but if we manage to break to the upside somehow, it doesn't matter, you can put this one in the 4 hours, for example, right? It's even better. You can even set it in the 15 minute and see where is the best entry point. But look at how beautiful it is and how it's becoming respected, because I'm so bullish on this. Why? Because listen to these two important things I'm going to mention right now. Once, as you can see, we might get in the next for one of the new 4 hours candle will open in 30 minutes. It might be we go toward the breakup, okay, but we don't get so much excited. Just wait. If why I'm actually saying that we might get to the upside from here, actually, because we are still above my support box. But to be honest with you guys, I'm still trying to be conservative, because just started off the week, still we are in the September, so we might have to test again this downturn of this falling wedge. Okay, the interesting part again, the second interesting part is, if we dare to retest this downturn line, then this is exactly at the bottom of the box. Makes perfectly sense. And then from here, for example, we can build bullish momentum, come retest in here, and as soon as we break it, guys, it can go up sharply, because these wedges, they are very good pattern to trade. Now, you asking me about the target. The target, of course, is the top of the wedge, which is 53,000, the last time local high that we had. Now you might ask that what happens after that. Okay, let's predict a little bit future. You tell me, okay, Dr. Curtin, we broke, for example, and we are going from anywhere. We broke it, we put either line position or bought in or whatever you're doing, and then we go all the way, make some, of course, consolidation here. It could be, of course, we not necessarily need to meet the exact target always. It could be from here and then come back, depend on the bulls and bears how they're gonna play out. But let's say, for example, we're gonna be going and hitting exact target of 53,000. Now the question will be afterward that what is the next scenario? Okay, guys, the next scenario I will tell you when we will be there, because there would be potentially a huge bull or huge bear scenario. Huge bear scenario, let's start, is that if we go here, we arrive here. How much is this exactly? Last time we had, it's 52,963. Okay, let's say we hit anywhere higher than this level in here, and then we have potentially, let's say, a higher high in here than this one. So this would be bullish, regardless of what happens, consolidation or going a little bit down, then we still remain bullish because we have a higher high. But if, let's say, for example, we go to 52,500, right? Then we create, for example, if I could remove this, not needed, for example, I don't know, but anyways, if we go, for example, in here and create a lower high, lower than this one, okay, then we start coming back and falling, then it's a potential huge bearish scenario. Why? Because we got a lower high than here, and when we have a double top, where we will have double top, one is here, another is here. If this one is the lower high, then we have a double top with the lower high in the second time, and we potentially gonna be in a bear scenario. Well, I will keep you updated. I will keep an eye on that. Now, this is all I wanted to show. It's quite important, guys. Okay, if you're appreciating all this I'm showing to you, please make sure that you subscribe to the channel and smash the like button. So I appreciate that. That's all I ask you for. And guys, I hope I'm a pro crypto. Well, hopefully, let me show you also the DXY. I usually show you DXY. Look, I've been talking about this more than a month. We were falling in here. I said when we were here, I said, okay, we have to find some kind of a support in DXY. Enough is enough of falling. We were actually at 53,000 almost Bitcoin. Next day we found support. We came up here. I told you guys, okay, we have probably DXY, the same as Bitcoin did, will go up and test the downtrend which was broken in here. The same happened in Bitcoin. Now where my lies is, I'm telling you, I changed this stuff to the Coinbase. So let me just quickly put the line in here for you. When we had this beautiful trend to the upside, right? And then it was here exactly. As soon as we broke it, guys, look at it carefully. Look at it carefully, okay? Try to learn this stuff. Now look, we as soon as broke down, we came out, we had a fake move to the inside, we went out, we were rejected again, and then testing. How many times actually we tested? 1, 2, 3, almost 4. The fourth time, boom, rejection down. And here let's look at DXY. I'm considering this line, hopefully to just act as this line which rejected Bitcoin all the way. Okay, so let's look here. We fall below it, test, another test, so 2, 3. Yeah, we are almost doing the same as Bitcoin. What I'm expecting is actually to still remain some bullish and go up. Hopefully here we go a little bit higher, and then hopefully it will act the same as Bitcoin and boom, goes down. Hopefully, this is my hope. But the unfortunate scenario will be the breakout and just making a higher high than this one, which is potentially wow, it's gonna be bad for crypto. I told you this since months. I'm also keeping strongly my eyes on this comparison between DXY and Bitcoin. If this one make a higher high and just break and go above, then the crypto market goodbye bullish and all bulls and all this stuff. I'm sorry to say that, but yeah, that's that scenario to happen. Let's keep an eye. Let's make our finger crossed to just happen the same with Bitcoin. We go higher, and in that case we will be so bullish. And Chainlink, I mentioned yesterday, we're still in the falling wedge. I'm looking for the breakout. My target will be 36, but of course it depends on the Bitcoin. That's why we're all talking about Bitcoin, guys. September, which is my favorite month in life, is almost getting over, which is the most hated month in crypto market. We're going to the most favorite month of the crypto market, October. Let's be hopeful. I think I'm buying the dip. I started buying the dip. You know that I started already buying the dip. Bought a lot of Chainlink yesterday. I actually think it's gonna be one of the altcoin that's gonna be amazing if we are there to continue the bull run. That's the condition. Okay. Now, guys, whatever you saw in this video was just friendly opinions that I shared with you, some ideas. Nothing should be taken as a financial advisor. I'm not a financial advisor. Thank you for watching, and I will see you later. Be blessed. Take the crypto out.